diving in, like deep diving
Yeah.
into your question today. And it's a good one, I have to say,
Yeah.
about like, what kinds of ebooks are actually selling really well.
Right.
You sent us some interesting information on this.
Yep.
And we're going to really try to figure out like why some genres just do so well in this digital format. So
Absolutely.
are you ready to go?
I am totally ready. Let's do it.
All right. So from what you sent over, it looks like romance and thrillers and mysteries.
Yes.
Those are like the top dogs in the ebook world.
It's true.
Which, I mean, I got to admit, not a huge surprise there, right? I mean, who doesn't love a good page turner?
It's so true.
Especially like a really intense mystery or
Yeah.
a super steamy romance,
Exactly. And I think what's really interesting is there's a few reasons why these genres in particular are so successful as ebooks. So it goes beyond just,
more than just you can download it
instant gratification.
instantly.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm all ears. Yeah. So think about it. Like with ebooks, they offer a lot of privacy for readers.
Yeah.
And, that can be a really big deal for especially romance readers.
Oh, interesting.
They don't want people necessarily knowing
Right.
what they're reading.
Yeah, no, I never kind of thought about that. But that makes a ton of sense.
Yeah.
Like, you get your own little secret library going on there.
Exactly.
Plus, they can be way cheaper than buying a physical book.
Yes, definitely.
Which is always a plus for someone like me who, blows through books.
Yeah.
Like, it's nobody's business.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think for thriller fans, it plays right into that, staying up all night reading.
Yes.
You have to know what happens next.
Oh, my God.
And with an ebook, you're just a tap away from that next chapter.
It is so true.
No matter what time it is.
Oh, my God. I cannot tell you how many times I have stayed up way too late.
Right.
Reading an ebook thriller. Just I can't put it down.
Exactly. And it ties back into, those reader habits of binge reading and wanting to keep up with new releases from their favorite authors.
Yeah.
They want to jump into that next book in a series immediately, and ebooks just really lend themselves well to that.
It really sounds like ebooks were made for these genres.
Right.
Like romance and thrillers.
Totally.
It's like a match made in heaven.
Yeah.
But, okay, so I'm starting to think could this ebook success, spill over into other genres too?
Yeah, totally.
What about fantasy?
Yeah.
I know those books can be super immersive and addictive, or even cookbooks.
Yes.
Could you imagine having all those recipes right there?
Oh my God.
Right at your fingertips in the kitchen?
I know, that's such a good point.
Yeah.
I think, fantasy epics with the really dedicated fan bases and complex worlds, I think they could see definitely a similar success with the ebook format. And for cookbooks, it's you're saying it's all about convenience and practicality.
Yeah.
Being able to search for a specific recipe within an ebook.
Yeah.
Or adjust serving sizes digitally. I mean, that could be a total game changer.
You're so right. I feel like we always associate ebooks with fiction.
Yeah.
But there's a whole world of nonfiction that could really benefit from this too.
Totally.
This is really making me think. Now I might need to go explore some ebook cookbooks myself.
Yes.
So
it's really amazing to see how this digital format is changing how we read.
Yeah.
How we engage with content.
Yeah.
And who knows what the future holds.
I know. Well, hey, thanks for joining me on this deep dive.
Absolutely.
It's been so fascinating to explore why ebooks have become so successful and to think about all the possibilities for other genres too.
Yeah.
So I want to hear from you.
Yes.
What other genres do you think could really thrive in this ebook format? Let us know.
Yes.
And until next time, happy reading.
Happy reading.